And today we're going to dig deep into the failings of TUSLA, the alleged child protection service here in Ireland. Now, approximately 3 years ago, TUSLA expanded its role as a client-relying service to a third party, and TUSLA's payment to supervised access, as reported by the Irish Times in Ireland, rose from approximately 50,000 in 2022 to over 465,000 in 2023, based on data shared with politicians. Now, previously, employees who were part of the company during the time noted a relaxed attitude towards governance and expressed worries about deficiencies in staff vetting, according to the Irish Times. Now, 3 ex-employees told the Irish Times that they doubted the company had a physical office even, claiming that all business transactions occurred over the phone. A training manual instructs employees to contact managers via WhatsApp or phone if they encounter an issue during a visit. And a former employee also described it as absolute constant chaos. Now, in late 2023, internal emails revealed that staff expressed significant worries about colleagues working with children without undergoing Garda vetting to verify any previous criminal records. And in an email from November the 22nd, 2023, again reported in the Irish Times, one employee mentioned that a colleague who oversaw multiple visits revealed that they had not finished Garda vetting or child protection training. Now, have they ceased using private companies is the question. But as mainstream media has reported, not long ago we observed the stabbing of a young Ukrainian, and I reference the source stating, as I quote, that a private company was involved in this incident yet again in 2025, as reported also by the Data Protection Commissioner, another allegation and a claim that was proven in the Circuit Court in November the 4th, 2020. It confirmed the Irish Data Protection Commissioner's Office decision to impose an administrative fine on TUSLA Child and Family Agency. The request to validate the decision to impose a €75,000 administrative fine was submitted under Section 143 of the Data Protection Act 2018, and this represents the initial fine imposed under GDPR in Ireland after a statutory investigation, and marks the first use of Section 143, and TUSLA notified the departments about 3 personal data breaches, prompting this inquiry. Now, TUSLA did not redact personal data when sharing documents with third parties, leading to all 3 personal data breaches. The initial personal data breach happened when TUSLA accidentally shared the address of a foster care with the father of 2 children in care. And now the second instance happened when TUSLA accidentally shared the address of the child who filed the complaint along with her mother's phone number, grievous error, with the individual accused of child sexual abuse. Now, the third incident happened when TUSLA accidentally shared the address and contact information of a child's foster parents along with the child's school location with the child's grandmother. Now, this could have serious implications and safety concerns for the child. And more recently, we saw what happened to the young girl in the care of TUSLA at City West. It could be argued that these failures amount to abuse on children in care, the most vulnerable in our society. Perhaps the government should use these powers more constructively, and instead of issuing fines to directors of social media companies with fines and criminal action, it might be best to place or to apply the same guidelines for directors of so-called child protection services. That's all I have to say. Now, stay safe. Just said I'd highlight these issues, and as always, leave in your comments below your thoughts. Take care.